Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, the sum of three numbers is 158. The first is 10 greater than the second and 12 greater than the third. What is the largest of the three numbers? Let x, y, z be the required three numbers. Now, from given information, x is greater than x is 10 greater than y. That is y equals to x plus 10. Y is 12 greater than z. That is, we can write this as z equals to y plus 12. That is x plus 10 plus 12 means it will be x plus 22. As sum of the three numbers is 158, so x plus y plus z is 158. Now here this is 158, so x plus y is x plus 22 and z in terms of y in terms of x is x plus 10 and z in terms of x is given by x plus 22. This sum is 158. So this sum will be 3x plus 32 equals to 158. Now subtract 32 from both the sides. We get 3x equals to 126. Divide both the sides by 3. We get x equals to 126 by 3 means 42. So substituting this value of x in y and z, we get, so y equals to 42 plus 10 means 52 and z equals to x plus 22, that is 42 plus 22 means 64. Hence, three numbers are 42, 52 and 64, and the largest number is 64. So our correct option is option C.